Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how students can use Perplexity AI effectively in 2026. Yeah, if you want to study smarter, finish assignments faster, and understand topics better, this tool can be a game changer because, honestly, it combines AI explanations with real sources in one place. So first, use it for quick understanding. Uh, Instead of struggling with difficult topics, ask clear questions like explain photosynthesis in simple terms or summary of World War II, and you'll get easy to understand answers instantly. Next, use it for research. Yeah. Perplexity provides answers along with sources so you can verify information and use reliable references in your assignments or projects. This saves a lot of time compared to searching manually. After that, ask follow-up questions. If something is unclear, just continue the conversation and ask for simpler explanations or more details, which helps you learn step by step without confusion. Also, use it for writing help. Yeah, you can generate ideas, outlines, or even improve your writing by asking for suggestions, but make sure to rewrite in your own words to avoid plagiarism. And organize your study workflow. So save useful answers, bookmark important topics, and revisit them later when preparing for exams or assignments. Finally, use it responsibly. Most of the time, students who combine AI tools with their own understanding perform better because they learn faster without depending completely on the tool. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.